students, today we are learning about Roman numerals. See, look at here, Roman numerals. There are 7 Roman numerals are there. One is I, V, X, L, C, D, M. So ancient time, once upon a time, means in ancient time there is no numbers to deal money matters. So in that time they were using these English letters to deal ಮನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಆಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಏನ್ಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಆವಾಗ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇರಲಿಲ್ವಂತೆ ಮನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಡೀಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ ಡೀಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಂತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಐ ಅಂತ, 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಅಂತ, 1000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೀಕ್ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವಿವಾಗ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಸೊ ನೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ರೋಮನ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಐ? ಸೊ ಐ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1, ವಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 5, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 10, ಎಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 50, ಸಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 100, ಡಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 500, ಎಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1000. ಸೊ before learning these Roman numerals, so there is some rules are there. So what is that rules? See, first a symbol can be repeated 3 times. Means some Roman numerals we can repeat. Repeat 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So which are those letters? Though I we can repeat 3 times, X we can repeat 3 times, C we can repeat 3 times, M we can repeat 3 times. So some letters, so some we can repeat, some symbols can be repeated 3 times. So here repetition means addition. See here, repetition of numbers means addition. See, for example, I means 1. So if you want to write 2 means I you want to write 2 times. Otherwise I you will write 3 times means 3. X you will write 3 times. So X value is 10. So you want to 10 means you want to write X 2 times. X 20. So X you will become write 3 times means it is 30. And C also you can write 3 times. M also you can write 3 times. Only I, X, C and M you can write 3 times. Here repetition means writing 3 times 2 times means there is an addition. Because see here I means 1. You are writing 3 times means the value is 3. Here X value is 10. You are writing 3 times means the value is 30. 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. So like that only here C you are written 3 times means that C value is 100. So you are writing 3 times means the value is 100. 100 plus 100 plus 100, 300, like that. So some symbols you can repeat 3 times only, 3 times only, not more than 3 times, not less than 3 times. Understand? We can repeat maximum 3 times, not more than 3 times. Again, so the never repeated symbols. So some symbols never repeated. Which are those symbols? V you can't write 2 times. L you can't write 2 times. D you can't write 2 times. Why means, see V value, what is the V value? V value is 5. If you write 2 times means V you are writing 2 times means 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 how much? 10. So for 10 already value is there. So that's why V never repeated. Again L. See what is the value of L? L value is 50. If you write 2 times means what it will happen? L plus L means 50 plus 50 means 100. So 100 there is already symbol is there. Then why you will write L 2 times? Again same D. What is the value of D? D value is 500. You are writing D 2 times means 500 plus 500, 1000. So for 1000 value is M. So 1000 have a value. So what is that? M. So then why you will write D 2 times? That's why some letters never repeated, because for that values already is there. So relating value is there. So that's why there are never repeated symbols. So some symbols never repeated. That never repeated symbols is V, L, D. Got it? Because if we repeat means the values already have some fixed letters. So that's why these Roman numerals never repeated. Again, so smaller value is subtracted from the greater one. So smaller value. See here, I is a smaller one compared to 5. So I and V you will write both letters together means you want to do subtraction. See, smaller value is subtracted from the greater value. So when you will write smaller value and greater value together means you want to do subtraction. For example, look at here. See, smaller value I is a smaller one than to v. So here I and v I written. So what you want to do here? Subtraction you want to do. I value is 1, v value is 5. So smaller value subtracted from greater value. So 1 minus 5 is 4. So then I v value is 4. And next you so like that smaller values you want to subtract. Next, so last rule, see, I can be subtracted from v and x. So only I you want to subtract from only v and x. Next, x can be subtracted from L and C, and C can be subtracted from D and M. Got it? Everyone, you understand? If you learn these rules, you can write Roman numerals. You can learn Roman numerals very easily. So these rules are very important to learn Roman numerals. Okay, children? So thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubts, ask in comment section.